Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabsnet.com. Let me just readjust here. Okay. So, this is a message going out to all the haters and people that doubt AI. What I'm finding is that people that doubt AI um, are not putting any investment into any form of AI. It's a complete farce. Um, they are using either the free editions and they think that's all the answers to AI and all their problems. And the people that doubt it, same thing. I spend a good couple $100 now a month on AI. I just find if I was to get coders or even myself in the time to do what I'm about to show you, I'd be spending thousands upon thousands per month to get what I'm about to show you. Um, so what we're looking at here is another Streamlit app that I've created, and I've shown you the real data files. Let me just show you that, just so you know. These are the real futures data files from 2 days ago, downloaded from Motorwave. So it's real data that I'm working with here. Let me just show you this to you. First, let me just add new uh, Horizon links to what I'm about to show you here. So among here, these are all the different instruments that I've come across and downloaded that showed some potential. Some of these go as far back as 2 years. So we got Australian US dollar, pound, the euro, Brazilian real, Swiss franc, S&P 500, Bund, um, natural gas, and platinum. Ultra bond, 5 year, 10 year, live cattle, ether, and the micros as well. So this is the dashboard I'm about to show you. This is very cool. So we can here have different back-tested strategies, crossover with an SMA, breakout or mean reversion. Also along here, we've got some parameters here, as you can see. We're including the volume panel as well. So let's check it out. So this is the real, Brazilian real, pricing, uh, 1 million return, negative obviously. Horizontal view 21, and the rolling Sharpe ratio as well. So this is the general performance going all the way back to October 23, along with the volume here. Also, we've got here the volume right here in August for trading, whatever happened in volume in that time in August. This is the cool part here is I'm able to show a volatility surface among all the different data points as well. And then here we have our rolling metrics as well. So you can see that. It's beyond amazing what we can do here. So here we have the different types of metrics, ATR, rolling sharp, Sortino with the volume as well, and back testing as well is included. And I've said this before, you don't need to blow your brains out when it comes to looking at data, uh, generating all kinds of complicated frameworks or libraries or packages to get backtesting results. You supply the file, the CSV in my case, daily data, and ask for what I'm showing you plus backtested as well. So you can see here what we've got. Our maximum drawdown here on the reals, negative 8%, which is not too bad. Total return at negative 2.85. And then here we have our drawdowns, performance again. And this is where it gets unbelievably cool. So what you're going to be looking at here is the overall forward opportunity ranking of all the data points I've just shown you. As you can see here, this is all calculated using real data and forecasted using standard momentum. So here we have a score ranking forward-looking with S&P 500 being the lead, the Schatz, Ultra Bond, and the Bund. And that's showing you quite potentially what things look best with this data, real world data again from futures, and then you can know, okay, what am I going to focus on? And this is it right here. So we know that the ES or the S&P 500 probably gives you the best score using the current momentum, uh, the volatility contraction, the volume, and the different Sharp and other statistics as well. That is the cool part about this. So if I was to look at the ES right here, S&P 500, this is what it'll look like. So let's just bring this up to the top here. So here's what we got. We have our last close, return at 1%, and a rolling sharp. Not the best, but that's with a breakout. Okay. So if I was to use, I don't know, SMA crossover, doesn't look like it updates it for whatever reason, but whatever. But for now, that's what we have as performance. Again, I can always, with the AI, improve the volatility, surfaces, um, with the rolling metrics as well. You can see the latest performance here as well. And back test the results, negative 15%. Uh, Annualized return, 17% drawdown. And you can see these big drawdowns that we've had, but they still rank it as one of the top. Don't ask me on that. But if I was to look at maybe the shots, I don't know, but let's say the UB Ultra Bond, let's see what that will look like. Let's see here, Ultra Bond right here. Um, and what we get here is things may improve. So return at 0.46, um, the rolling sharp at 0.65, which is less risk, I guess, than the S&P as it currently stands. Of course, the volatility, the rolling metrics as well, and the back test results. Total return at negative 1.2%, market drawdown at negative 18%, which is right here. You can see that it did draw, like the drawdowns are getting less and less, as I guess there's uh, more risk in the markets currently, and that's it. So a good one that probably people want to know about is Ethereum. Let's see if we can find that here, right here, um, and just get the results. So again, being able to get a really good high level on the current state of where the data is at, and all you got to do is just uh, upload it into this project in the directory, in the data directory. You can see here that Ethereum's not doing too good. I've said this before when it comes to crypto in my quant analytics. You get 7-page trial if you want to take that to see some of the reports, but you can see it visually now. And again, this is not just theory. This is not hunching. This is real world data. And you can see what's going on here. And this is only going back last couple of months. I don't know why, but that's just how it is. Um, and we have a negative sharp here as well, which is what you don't want. The volume you can see is clearly spiking, maybe because of the risk. And they're, with the government shutdown in the U.S., that's part of the reason as well. So here's the metrics as well. ATR going up along with the results since August. This has been tracked, I guess, in August. Negative 3% return, max drawdown at 9%. See here. It's just looking at that data, it's just something I wouldn't really want to chance. But it depends upon the way things are moving ahead into the future. And it looks like things are not looking good. I don't think we have silver in here for whatever reason. I could probably add it and modify the script. But here we also have cattle. Let me just see here, one of them. Actually, let's check out the mini euro. So here, total return a little better, 0.96 max draw. That's pretty good. So that's low risk right there with the euro as well. Or if I was to look at one of the agriculture or one of the live Natural gas came up as well. Just see how that's done. Usually we're going into a better season with natural gas. So overall, we're down -8%, rolling sharp -231. You can see here the volumes picked up as well. And here's the total return, which is obviously not that great. Um, but it's a very interesting dashboard to create with the forward analysis as well, estimated as well. But again, it's using real world data. If you like what you're seeing, um, there's a couple of things you could do, as I keep saying. Go to quantlabsnet.com. You can join our newsletter. Just join it right at the homepage here, right there. We don't release information. You can get yourself a free C++ HFT book. More importantly, now what's happening is if you go under our trial right here, get a 7-day free trial to get access to all our course, futures options course, which are going to be very critical as we move forward, um, as well as all our past webinars and so on and so forth. Pretty good thing, and no risk if you cancel within the week or 7-day time period. That's pretty well it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.